In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create manual orders in Shopify. If you ever need to take a phone order, send a payment link, or build an order on a customer's behalf, manual orders are the perfect tool. I'll walk you through the exact clicks, explain what each screen is doing, and share a few tips so you feel confident from start to finish. First, open your Shopify admin. From the left-hand menu, head to Orders. This is your hub for everything related to purchases and payments. Inside Orders, switch to the Drafts view. Drafts let you assemble an order before it becomes a finalized sale, which is ideal for custom requests or invoices you'll email to a customer. Click Create Draft Order to start a fresh one. You'll add items next. Click Browse to open your product picker. Locate the product you want to include, say a long-sleeve shirt, and select it. Then click Add to place it into the draft order. Take a moment to confirm you selected the correct variant, like size or color, and that the quantity matches what the customer wants. Prices you see here reflect your store's product pricing. Shipping and taxes can be applied later based on the customer's details and delivery method. When the items look good, you're ready to request payment. Click Send Invoice. Shopify opens an invoice window where you choose who will receive the payment email. Select the correct customer from your list so the message goes to the right inbox. Make sure the contact email is valid and up to date. This is where Shopify will send the secure checkout link. Before you proceed, review the invoice content. You can adjust what your customer sees in the message and fine-tune display options. For example, open the product prices settings to control whether line item prices appear on the invoice. This is helpful if you need to tailor how much detail is shown. Double-check totals, discounts if any, and taxes so everything is accurate. When you're ready, click Review Invoice. This preview lets you verify the exact message and line items your customer will receive. If anything looks off, back up and make edits. If it looks perfect, you're set. At this point, Shopify has prepared the invoice for you to send, and once the customer pays, the draft will convert into a completed order automatically. That's the complete flow. Open orders, go to drafts, create the draft, browse and add products, send the invoice, set the recipient, adjust product price display, and review. You've just created a manual order in Shopify.